I'm going to start Rise Up, O Flame just by playing it. I'm going to play the melody, which you're going to hear a million times. You're going to sing it, you're going to play it, you're going to do it. I said do. Yeah, you're going to do that. It's going to be great. Start right here on that low D. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All of them got to be down, and you should see a little hole, a little complete circle on your finger when you pull it up. Okay? Check those. Watch yourself in the mirror play. It helps. That's really what it is. Let's take it 2 measures at a time, going from D, low D, to A. Picking up 4 fingers, D to A. If you can do that, you can do the whole rest of it. And that F has what we call fork fingering. Sometimes you see people put that 4th finger down. Sometimes I forget. I'm going to be truthful with you. It does help the tuning. Sometimes I forget. Or if I move my fingers fast, I don't always get that pinky down. As long as you got that fork, you're good. Should be okay. Next 2 measures, by the light glowing. Slur, slur, tongue, 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 tongue. If you don't know slur tongue, that's okay. You just don't tongue between the first 2 or the second 2. Put that all together, you got. I added that second measure in. Then you go from the low D, bada bing, bada boom, to D. Sorry, I did that wrong. D to D. Usually when you're holding it on your mouth, it's easier to go just holding 1 finger down. That's like 7 whole fingers you got to pick up, okay? But you can do it, D to D. We're going to start on the glowing and then go up to the next 2 measures. And hey, Vision and Joy, we've already played that. Ending on that low D again. Let's do Show to Us Beauty. Vision and Joy. That's easy. Here is the whole melody that you're going to be hearing in your nightmare. Because you're going to be playing it so much. We love to see it. Ready, and... You're going to hear how much you can get out of what we call a canon or a round, because you're going to play that melody 18,000 times, but it won't sound so bad. Tenor or quarter part is easier. Either you're low, I find it harder to articulate on the low D, because that air's just got to move so slow, but the higher D is a little bit easier. I don't know where Miss Miller is going to put you, but it's going to be great.